This tutorial covers one of the more advanced features in ContractComplete, the negotiation feature. Sometimes, after you've received your submissions, you've more or less decided on a particular contractor, but based on that contractor's various competencies, you may wish to slightly modify the scope of the contract before awarding it. To do that, we've implemented the negotiation feature. To open up a negotiation with a contractor, use the drop-down menu next to the contractor's name and click Negotiate. A negotiation looks very much like another contract on its own. We have over here the bill of quantities, documents, and provisional items. And what this allows us to do is we can actually make direct changes to this contract now. So let me try a quantity change. And I'll try a pricing change. And I'll try a scope change by deleting a couple of these items down here. Now when I save that, the neat thing is, if you go back to the first tab, you get a summary of exactly what's been done. Now remember, this is a negotiation, so we actually allow both you and the target contractor to make changes to the contract at this point. And any changes, again, are summarized here. After both parties have agreed to the negotiation, or the scope of the negotiation rather, both parties need to log into ContractComplete and click the Accept button. So now we can see that we've accepted this negotiation and we are just waiting on the contractor. Once the contractor accepts the negotiation, this negotiation essentially becomes a standalone contract which can be accessed from the contracts page. And you'll be able to do things like creating change orders and invoices. There's just one more thing I'd like to show you with negotiations. If we go back to our original tender, you can see we have a negotiation in progress here, but you can also open up a negotiation with a different bidder at the same time. Now this is useful if you'd like to split the contract into two. Perhaps you'd like to award half the contract to one contractor and the other half to the other contractor based on what their core competencies are. So you can certainly do that. You open a negotiation with both contractors and go into each negotiation and remove the part that's out of scope. And that's about it.